Welcome to this informative video about foods rich in phosphorus for height growth. Phosphorus is a vital mineral for bone health and growth, working alongside calcium to build strong bones and teeth. In this video, we'll explore 10 helpful pieces of information about phosphorus-rich foods, including which foods to eat, how much phosphorus to consume, and the role of phosphorus in supporting height growth. Whether you're looking to increase your phosphorus intake for bone health or support growth during adolescence, this video has everything you need to know about foods that are high in this essential mineral. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of phosphorus-rich foods and height growth. 1. Phosphorus is an important mineral for overall bone health and growth. It works in conjunction with calcium to build strong bones and teeth, and also plays a role in cell growth and repair throughout the body. Without enough phosphorus in the diet, bones can become weak and brittle, increasing the risk of fractures and other bone-related health problems. Therefore, it's important to consume adequate amounts of phosphorus through a balanced and varied diet. 2. Dairy products such as milk, cheese, and yogurt are excellent sources of phosphorus. Meats like beef, pork, and chicken are also rich in this mineral, as are fish like salmon and tuna. Additionally, nuts such as almonds and cashews, and beans like kidney beans and chickpeas are great plant-based sources of phosphorus. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can help support healthy bone growth and maintenance, which is especially important during adolescence when growth spurts occur. It's important to note that while phosphorus is a vital nutrient, consuming too much can be harmful, especially for those with kidney disease. Therefore, it's important to speak with a healthcare professional to determine the appropriate amount of phosphorus for your individual needs. 3. While animal-based foods are some of the best sources of phosphorus, there are also some plant-based sources that are worth mentioning. Fruits and vegetables like broccoli, potatoes, and bananas are all good sources of phosphorus. Other fruits and vegetables that contain this mineral include sweet potatoes, oranges, avocados, and spinach. While these plant-based sources may not contain as much phosphorus as animal-based foods, they can still contribute to overall phosphorus intake and provide other important nutrients like fiber and vitamins. 4. Adequate intake of phosphorus is important for overall bone health and growth, especially during periods of rapid growth such as adolescence. Phosphorus works in conjunction with calcium to build strong bones and teeth, and consuming enough of this mineral can help support bone growth and maintenance. In addition to phosphorus, it's also important to consume adequate amounts of other bone-building nutrients such as calcium, vitamin D, and magnesium. A balanced and varied diet that includes a variety of phosphorus-rich foods can help support healthy bone growth and maintenance, which is crucial for achieving maximum height potential. 5. The recommended daily intake of phosphorus for adults typically ranges from 700 mg to 1,000 mg per day, depending on age, gender, and other factors. However, the optimal intake of phosphorus may vary depending on an individual's specific needs and health status. It's important to speak with a registered dietitian or healthcare professional to determine the appropriate amount of phosphorus for your individual needs. Additionally, those with kidney disease may need to limit their phosphorus intake, as high levels of phosphorus can be harmful for those with this condition. 6. While phosphorus is an important mineral for overall bone health and growth, consuming too much phosphorus can be harmful, especially for those with kidney disease. Excess phosphorus in the blood can cause a range of health problems, including bone and heart disease. Therefore, it's important to speak with a healthcare professional to determine the appropriate amount of phosphorus for your individual needs. They can help you develop a balanced and varied diet that provides enough of this important mineral while minimizing the risk of overconsumption. It's always best to prioritize your health and work with a professional to ensure that your diet meets your specific needs. 7. Foods that are high in phosphorus, such as dairy products, meats, and fish, are also typically good sources of protein. Protein is a key nutrient for bone health and growth, as it provides the building blocks needed to form and maintain bone tissue. Additionally, protein plays a role in muscle development, which is important for overall physical function and mobility. By consuming a balanced diet that includes both phosphorus-rich and protein-rich foods, you can help support healthy bone growth and maintenance, as well as other important functions throughout the body. 8. Calcium is another important mineral that plays a critical role in bone health and growth, and works together with phosphorus to build strong bones. Calcium is required for the formation and maintenance of bone tissue, as well as for proper muscle and nerve function. Consuming adequate amounts of both calcium and phosphorus is important for achieving and maintaining optimal bone health throughout life. Some good food sources of calcium include dairy products, leafy green vegetables, tofu, and fortified foods such as certain types of cereal and orange juice. By consuming a balanced diet that includes both calcium-rich and phosphorus-rich foods, you can help support healthy bone growth and maintenance, which is important for achieving maximum height potential and overall health and well-being. 9. If you're looking to increase your intake of phosphorus, there are a variety of foods you can incorporate into your diet. Some good sources of phosphorus include dairy products, such as milk, cheese, and yogurt; meats, such as beef, pork, and chicken; fish, such as salmon and tuna; nuts, such as almonds and cashews; beans, such as kidney beans and chickpeas; fruits and vegetables, such as broccoli, potatoes, and bananas. By incorporating more of these foods into your diet, you can help ensure that you're consuming adequate amounts of phosphorus to support healthy bone growth and maintenance. Remember, it's also important to speak with a healthcare professional to determine the appropriate amount of phosphorus for your individual needs, as overconsumption of phosphorus can be harmful, especially for those with kidney disease. 10. It's always a good idea to speak with a registered dietitian or healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet. They can help you determine the appropriate amounts of nutrients, such as phosphorus and calcium, for your individual needs and goals. Registered dietitians and healthcare professionals can also help you develop a balanced and varied diet that meets your specific needs and preferences, while also taking into account any underlying health conditions you may have. By working with a professional, you can feel confident that you're making informed decisions about your diet and overall health. Thank you for watching this informative video about foods rich in phosphorus for height growth. As we've learned, phosphorus is an essential mineral for bone health and growth, and consuming a diet rich in phosphorus can support height growth during adolescence and maintain healthy bones throughout life. Remember, it's important to speak with a registered dietitian or healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet. They can help you determine the appropriate amounts of nutrients for your individual needs and goals. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more health and nutrition content.